Welcome to Trent's DIY Adventures, where we work on home improvements, landscaping, automotives, travel trailers, anything and everything around the house that I can do myself. My name is Trent. I'm going to show you what I do. I'm new to YouTube. So today we're going to talk about the video equipment that I'm going to be using to shoot my videos. I hope you enjoy. Let's get going. I decided to use my old Hero 3, my GoPro Hero 3 Plus setup that I've had for a few years, collecting dust down in the basement. And I figured since I'm starting a YouTube channel, I might as well dig this out and see how it does. And as the videos go along, you guys can tell me, hey, you need to upgrade, or hey, it's working just fine. You know, I certainly appreciate it. So just a basic GoPro Hero 3 Plus. I've got the wrist or the remote start-stop that I'll be able to use while I'm videoing. And then right now I'm running on a 32 gig SD card, and then I have the USB card reader, so I can transfer the videos to my laptop for photo editing. I decided as I'm going to start this off, I'm going to add the add-on monitor. The Hero 3s did not come with a monitor, but they do make an aftermarket add-on. So this is the add-on monitor that I've added. It does come with a couple attachments for the waterproof case, depending on which case you have. So that way you can leave the monitor on and still use your waterproof case with it. And with that, I wanted to have a nice little frame to kind of keep a nice bundle. So I found this frame that keeps everything in there for the mount, for the camera to go on the mount. I do know, I'll show you this here in a little bit. In the picture on the box, it shows where you can leave the access panel on there. On mine, this one's a little bit small, and I'm going to actually have to cut this out in order to get the SD card in and out without having to take the case off the camera every single time I want to pull the SD card out. And then I also picked up an external mic to pick up the sound a little bit better, improve the sound, so we'll see how that works for me. And then I also got a add-on LED light, rechargeable battery light that will click in. The camera will go on top, and the light will go underneath the or on the tripod to help improve the lighting situations for me on the camera. And then I've got two different tripods. I picked up this tripod GoPro camera, and then it'll also be could use one of my DSLR cameras, but kind of like flexible legs on it. If I'm ever outside doing a project where I need to wrap the tripod around something to get a better angle. And it can also, kind of tough with here, you pull this out, it flips up, it can hold your camera phone in there, which I'm videoing this portion of it using my iPhone SE, the 2020 version, as a GoPro camera obviously is on the table. And then I also have this small handheld kind of selfie stick, small tripod that I'll be attaching everything on for easy movement, make it a little bit lighter, get around. So that is the equipment I will be using to shoot most of my videos. Everything put together. And I want to show you after that video, I went out and I opened this up. So now I can access the SD card, pop it out, take it out, be able to go put that into my laptop, download the files, and not have to disassemble the entire case. One of my only complaints is the charging for the display monitor is down up underneath here, and I can't get to that without having to disassemble it. But here is, I thought I hit the power button. There's a power button on the display, so it's a nice point of view, point and shoot kind of deal for the camera, so I can help set up angles and stuff, make sure I'm centered on there. I thought that was a pretty nice little feature to add. And then on the microphone just attaches into the same port that the charging cable goes into here on the phone. So that will be the full setup. Hopefully be able to pick up some sound and stuff, better sound quality on the GoPro Hero 3. And that should be my setup. We'll see how the video goes with these ones. Hello, I wanted to follow up with an update on the add-on microphone. Come to find out that you have to turn your Wi-Fi settings off on your GoPro. Otherwise you'll get some interference on the microphone. Seems to be working just fine now, as you can see in this tip. Also, I've come to find out, I had mentioned for the LCD screen monitor they added on, the charging port was at the mount portion on the bottom side that you couldn't get to. It actually charges with the camera when you plug the camera in, so I shouldn't have to remove the camera from the mount to charge both the camera and the monitor. So those are a couple good tips. If you want to try the products, I'll leave links to Amazon in the description below. Let me know how you think down in the comments. If you like the video, please click subscribe and like.